when I first try to tell you that at the same exact spot as where your body is, that you have light energy centers, you might say, well, how is that possible? Well, to tell you how it's possible, I have to give you like just a brief um, synopsis of what's called quantum physics. Quantum physics, for lack of a better term, is real physics. So you remember in science class in high school, or even in physics in high school, the problem with physics is this, is that they take the calculus of Newton to the next level. They try to take it to the next level in physics. And but the reason that calculus was invented by Newton was to prove that the Earth and the Moon and the Sun were all in constant free fall. And so they used that same math and tried to apply it to science. And the way they tried to apply it is by saying that an atom is like a little solar system, right? That has a nucleus with protons and neutrons and electrons revolving around it, right? But that's not true. And quantum physics proves that that's not true. It proves that it's not true mathematically. It checks the math of Newton and proves him wrong. Um, in chemistry or natural science class in school, they teach you that light is a wave, and that when you see the rainbow, that's the form of a light wave, and it's only half true, is what I'm saying. Just like in the same way that Newton's math and how it applies to atoms is only kind of half true. And so let me take it to the next level. If every atom was like a little solar system, it would implode on itself. It would collapse on itself. And so the truth is that everything is a particle and everything is a wave at the same time, meaning everything is matter and everything is light at the same time. Um, when you look at me with your eyes, you're not seeing me. You're seeing a probability of where I am based on the rate at which light bounces off of my body and at the rate at which my body comes into this dimension and out of this dimension. According to quantum physics or real physics, everything that you see is in constant motion. The chair, the table, the ceiling, the light switch. It's constantly coming into existence and going out of existence. And when it comes into existence, it's a particle, and when it goes out of existence, it's a light wave. So every single molecule, every single atom, everything that's in matter is constantly coming in and going out. It's basically half light and half particle. It's constantly in motion. So your body is made up of chromosomes. Excuse me, comes from the Greek word that means light. Your chromosomes are your light bearers. And your body is in a constant state of motion. And half of the time it's light, and half of the time it's a particle. And it's constantly coming into this dimension and out of this dimension. And that, my friend, is just like a brief touching on how it's possible for your body to be there, and therefore also to be a light energy center there. And the truth is it has to be there or you would not exist. There has to be a light energy center that is making you appear in this dimension. It's making your particles come into this dimension and back out into whatever dimension it is that we humans really came from. And eventually, in this dimension, according to quantum physics, everything, our space is in what's called a red shift. That means everything is moving constantly farther apart, and eventually every planet will get far enough away from its sun, every sun will burn out, everything will go cold, and there will be nothing that exists in this dimension. And at that point, you will understand that there is a whole nother part of you which is in full existence in a multitude of other dimensions. But that's neither here nor there right now. All I'm trying to do is explain to you the possibility that your body could be in the same place as where a light chakra is. Anyways, good luck with that.